What's up, guys? I'm gonna show you guys what I would wear on a first date. By the way, I have Invisaligns in, so I might be speaking kind of weird. I'm so here for these easy and basic looks that anyone can put together. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright girls, so jeans and a white top may seem very simple. There are so many ways that you can really dress this up. I got these jeans from Good American. It's actually my first pair of Good American, so I was so excited to see how it would fit and look on me. I saw Aaliyah's face promote these jeans and they looked so good. If you don't know who she is, check out her YouTube and her Instagram. And honey, I am sold. I am all for buying jeans that give me more shape than what I have or just sucks me in really well. I have this white top from SHEIN. It is a bodysuit and it's one shoulder and it's so comfortable. I would suggest using boob tape to keep the top up so you can feel comfortable. I got these heels from Miss Lola. They are actually pretty comfortable and the chain goes around your ankles. It already adds an extra pizzazz. Here are a couple of bag options that I wanted to show you guys. I will have the links for everything down below. The bag that I'm wearing is from H&M, and then if you want to dress this look up, you're gonna want to accessorize. So that's with rings, a double stacked necklace, a chunky chain, things to just bring the look all the way together. And then for earrings, I just kept it simple with studs because if I was gonna wear all that jewelry, it would be too much, you know? I love this outfit for a first date. It's sexy and grown, but not too much. Okay, let's switch it up now. Now we have a black top, nude shoes, and a black purse. Same jeans from Good American because we love a good denim that goes with several looks. Now this is more my comfort just because I feel like black makes you look a little slimmer. I gave you guys a couple of shoe options. I would prefer to wear black shoes, but I couldn't find mine, so I wanted to show you guys some options on the side. But I think black would make this look pop, being that we have a black top and a black purse. This look is also very simple, but as you guys know, to dress it up, go ahead and add some accessories. You don't have to add a lot either. You can add a watch that you may have at home. You can add a double stacked necklace, and it doesn't have to be chunky because the purse already has a nice gold chain detail. These are the shoes that I wore, and then I gave you guys also some other purse options. These three purses are from Zara. Again, everything will be linked down below. This top is actually from SHEIN. Now guys, I don't know if you guys are a fan of SHEIN, but if you are not, you need to become one because I too thought SHEIN didn't have the best quality. Some things yes, but for the most part, everything that I bought from SHEIN has been amazing. So definitely check it out, guys. And this top was like probably less than $10. Oh, I also want to mention that it's a bodysuit, and I would also use boob tape for this shirt. Now this look is a showstopper. Many will disagree with this look, so I gave you guys different top choices in case you feel like this top may be a little inappropriate for you. You have 3 different bodysuit options. I love this top. It's also from SHEIN, and the skirt is also from SHEIN, and it fits. Guys, the quality on this is amazing. I thought these purses would go perfect. You kind of want a purse that is different, very unique to go with this look. It's giving me very much so Sex and the City vibes. Everything fits amazing. I believe I got everything in a size medium from SHEIN. The shoes, I believe, are from Pretty Little Thing. I could be wrong. For the accessories, I feel like they should be kept very simple just because the outfit speaks for itself. That's why I chose those shoes, because they're clear. They almost kind of, you know, your eyes are really drawn to the skirt and the shirt. By the way, guys, this shirt can be worn several ways. It is basically a long piece of fabric that you can manipulate into the way you want it to look. So absolutely love this look. It's super sexy, and he will be calling you back. Now this is my favorite entire look out of this entire haul. Both pieces are from SHEIN, pants and top. Now, ladies, this is my first time ever experimenting with pants from SHEIN. But you know what? For a girl with thighs, this pants is definitely doing what it's supposed to be doing, okay? Love it. It's so cute, so on trend. it's comfortable, and then this cute bodysuit just adds to it. So it's very trendy, this very tiny spaghetti skinny straps. I would size up if you have larger boobs, just because it is a bodysuit, so you will be probably feeling the pulling from the titty area down to the coochie area, and it might be uncomfortable. But there's a lot of stretch in this, so don't fear that. The pants also have a lot of stretch as well, but don't be doing a split, because your pants will split. But it's great material for what SHEIN offers. Absolutely love this entire look. It's such a vibe. Oh my gosh, the list that I have right now is killing me. These Invisaligns have got to go. And for this look, you don't even have to accessorize much. You just need a simple cute purse, and I would just do that nice watch that you see, along with a little bit of jewelry for the neck. If my hair was different, I could have got like some really nice gold chunky earrings, and just really made this look different. But because we have, you know, what we have, half up, half down, it's already doing enough talking. And for a purse, you want a really cute, unique one, so I thought this one would be cute. Same pants, same shoe, same hair, different top, different vibe. I absolutely love this look because I feel like it's so like basic, but then it still has a dressed up feel. With this one, you're going to want to definitely accessorize. I would actually take all the pieces that I mentioned in the last outfit, as far as the watch, bracelet, the purses, and apply it to this outfit as well, because it is the same color scheme. But you will be a lot more comfortable if you just don't like to wear like a lot of shoulders out or anything. I have mine at the edge of my shoulders, but you can pull it up so it's like an actual shirt and sitting on your shoulders. But this whole look is cute. And what I love about these SHEIN pieces, oh my gosh, I can't talk, is this shirt with jeans would look good, and this pants with a nice white bodysuit from the previous outfits would look really good as well. For this look, I brought it back basic again, except this top has detail. These jeans are also Good American. These are the second pair of jeans that I got from them. They fit amazing, guys. Okay, the shoes are from Miss Lola. I'll try to find the link for you, but these jeans, woo, honey, I am blown away by them. I love this whole look. I wouldn't change anything about this entire outfit, which is why I don't have much shoe choices or anything, but I would add more accessories. My dog is in the back going crazy, sorry y'all. Absolutely loved everything from this try on haul. The great thing is all these pieces are interchangeable, so if you wanted to wear one of the bodysuits with one of the pants and so forth, it goes perfect. These jeans are amazing. Definitely get you a pair of Good Americans. I really didn't want to get a pair, but honey, they snatch you. Okay, I'm sold. The top, also SHEIN, love it. And the shoes, Miss Lola, the purse, Gucci, and I love it. Let me know if you guys want me to do another try on haul or date outfit ideas for you guys. I can try some with dresses and so forth. And thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you guys have a good time on your first date if you're going.